Was your supply chain disrupted in China? Taxes are going up, production is slowing down, and shipping is taking longer than expected. Are you looking for a better solution? Don't worry, GetAyuda is here to assist you with a manufacturer relocation to Mexico. Benefits of manufacturing in Mexico: proximity to the USA, option for ground transportation, and affordable production prices. How does it work? We will give you a quote from a manufacturer producing your product in less than 48 hours after you fill out your form. We will also assist you along the process until your product reaches your destination. We offer the following services: manufacturer sourcing, quality control, shipping and logistics, stellar communication in English, and also offices in Mexico and Miami. We have a 5% transaction fee for every order fulfilled. Sounds like a great opportunity? Relocate your production services from China to Mexico. GetAyuda.co